tutorial, I'm going to go over with you how to stage your IPR in the software. And if you do not stage your IPR, you will see a warning button that will let you know that you have some areas of collision that have not been resolved yet. If I come down here to the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to click on the Stage IPR button. You're going to see some red numbers on your arch form. Down here in the staging bar, you're going to see a block that says IPR. I'm going to simply slide this over to where I want to stage my IPR. I'm going to then click on the blue plus sign. If you do not want to do all of the IPR at once in the same stage, you can indicate that here. Then I can take my sliding bar and go to the next stage that I would like to finish the IPR staging on. Once I close out of my stage IPR, and I come up here to the upper left where my reports are, and we click on Summary, we will now see that I have staging for IPR on my summary report. Now, as you can remember, we did not stage the IPR on the lower. If I go to order my case, it's going to indicate that I do need to go to the cloud to finish my order. I'm going to say yes. I'm also going to say yes to changes to my treatment plan. And then you're going to see this collision warning pop up. Mid-course collisions need to be resolved. Fail to do so may impact treatment outcomes. If I click on the Show Details, it's going to show me exactly where my collisions are on each stage of my treatment plan. If I hit Continue, it's going to indicate to close the case out. Instead, I would like to stage that IPR, so I know that I will not have any issues with my treatment plan. Remember when staging your IPR that you want to make sure that you stage it before the collisions are going to happen in your treatment plan. As you can see in this video, I did stage my IPR at the very beginning because that is when the collisions will start at stage 1.